I'm Jen Polanz, Managing Editor of Green Profit. Today I'm joined by Korey Minnebo, Senior Manager of Customer Service for MasterTag. Hi, Korey.
Hi, Jen.
So tell us a little bit about the thermal adhesive labels that you have at MasterTag.
Absolutely. So our new partnership with Avery has really allowed us to expand this product line. Currently on the thermal side of things, our standard offering is about 11 different shapes that we can expand upon that for several different needs. Within those shapes, we have different diameter sizes. We have different liner options available, both PET and paper. Those are all typically coming on a 3-inch core. And we look at about a standard 2-week lead time upon receipt of order. A lot of different shapes, a lot of different materials, all based on application and how those labels might be printed. In the way of the thermal labels, we also offer blanks. They can be partially printed if the customer has a need to print additional information on it after they've received those labels. And then we also offer fully printed. We can do all of the artwork in the full print on our side.
So when you say partially printed, what would you print versus what would the retailer or the grower print?
Absolutely. So we might print horticultural information. We might print the photo, where then upon receipt, that customer then might print a retail price or a UPC or a barcode based on their needs once that information is readily available to them, once the order has been received on their side.
Okay, great. And then tell us about the what you have here, the 2 shapes that are available and what might be coming soon.
Absolutely. So in addition to thermal, we also are doing inkjet. So to kind of start and roll out, we have some blank inkjet rolls available. Those are actually in-house in inventory here at MasterTag. So the lead time is going to be much shorter. We're probably more at 5 business days upon receipt of order. Those inkjet labels can then be printed on site. So if a customer has a desire or a need to actually print their own labels, these are the products that they can order to do that with. Again, several different shapes will be available. Right now we have 2 available. We have 6 more coming fairly quickly in the next month or so. Again, different material options, glossy, matte. These are different in that for the inkjet, they can order based on roll. Where on thermal, they might be ordering based on number of labels that they need. But on the blank inkjet side, it's more of they have a desire and a need to print on site at their location. Ordering these rolls will allow them to do that.
Are there certain printers that this works with? How does that work?
Yes. So when a customer goes to order these, either through our MasterTag Online solution or with our customer service department, we can talk to them about compatibility with their inkjet printer options that they have. We've done a lot of testing on the Avery and MasterTag side to ensure these are a good solution for that. So just our dialogue and conversation with the customer to understand what printer options they have available, we can ensure that those labels will suit their needs.
And speaking of MasterTag Online, tell us a little bit about that.
Absolutely, yes. So on the blank inkjet labels that we discussed, we also now have an added feature within MasterTag Online called MyPrint. So what we are able to do is take that customer's custom label that they've created with MasterTag and make it readily available for them on site in our store to print at their site and their location. So they've ordered the roll and the material from us. They can now log into their on-site solution where they're already proofing and ordering tags, and they can print those labels at their own time, at their own needs, at their own locations, with the products that they've created with MasterTag.
Oh, very nice. That's great. Can you show us an example of how MasterTag Online works?
Sure. So once you're logged into MasterTag Online and you've created custom labels with MasterTag, you're going to see that in your My Tags area as available products for you to order. If it's an adhesive label that's been readied for the MyPrint feature, you're going to see a MyPrint banner here at the top. If I click in details for more information, it's going to expand and give me more information about that label. I can then start to see the artwork of the label. I can see things like my dimensions. I can then also start to see specific information about the adhesive label itself. This one happens to be glossy. It has plastic liner. And then I can also start to see the increments in which it's ordered in. And then you're going to see a print icon here. And when I click on that print icon, Now I'm going to get more information about, say, my available print credits. I can go in and download the quick print app with MasterTag, and then I can click simply just to print, and it's going to print to my on-site location inkjet printer I have available.
That's great. Very nice. So tell me, if someone wanted to find out more information about this or wanted to explore it more, how would they find that information out?
Absolutely. So they can go directly to mastertag.com. It will take them to the login page for our MasterTag Online solution, where they can see their available products they've created with MasterTag. They can also go to our 1-800 number or directly to orders@mastertag.com. That will take them to our customer service team who can help at any time.
That's great. Thank you so much, Korey. This is great.
Thanks, Jen.
And thank you for watching Trending Now, and watch for more videos coming soon.